Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves skincare, you're probably always on the lookout for products that can help tackle those pesky under-eye concerns. Today we're diving into a product that promises to hydrate, smooth, and refresh. TONYMOLY Hydrogel Eye Patches. These eye patches are designed to target tired, puffy eyes, reduce dark circles, and even combat fine lines. Let's see if this under-eye treatment is as effective as it sounds. TONYMOLY is a brand known for its playful yet effective skincare products, and these hydrogel eye patches are no exception. The patches are formulated with a blend of retinol, pumpkin extract, and hyaluronic acid, ingredients that offer some serious skincare benefits. Retinol is known for its anti-aging properties, helping to smooth fine lines and improve skin texture. Pumpkin extract is rich in vitamins A and C, which are great for brightening the skin and reducing dark circles. Meanwhile, hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration, plumping up the skin and helping to smooth out any dryness. When you open the jar, the scent of pumpkin is subtle but definitely noticeable. If you're a fan of cozy, fall-inspired scents, this will probably be a treat for your senses. The patches themselves are thick, hydrating, and feel cool to the touch, which is especially refreshing after a long day. Using these patches is pretty simple. You apply them directly under your eyes, leave them on for about 20 minutes, and then remove them. The texture is pleasant and doesn't slide off during wear, which I appreciated. I've tried other patches in the past that didn't stick well, but these stayed in place, allowing me to move around without worrying about them shifting. After removing the patches, my under-eye area felt noticeably refreshed and hydrated. The skin was smooth and had a slight plumpness to it, which I liked. As for the dark circles, while one use wasn't enough to fully erase them, I did notice a slight improvement, especially in terms of the skin's brightness. After several uses, I saw more of a cumulative effect. My under-eyes looked less tired, and the fine lines seemed less prominent. It's not an instant miracle, but it definitely gives noticeable results over time. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, these patches are incredibly hydrating and feel soothing on the skin. The ingredients are solid, particularly the retinol and hyaluronic acid, which are staples in any good anti-aging routine. They're easy to use, and I didn't have any irritation after wearing them. The scent is a little strong for some, but personally, I didn't mind it. On the downside, while they work well, the effects are somewhat subtle, especially for deep-set dark circles or very prominent fine lines. If you're looking for a quick fix, these might not be the answer. But if you're after something that improves your skin over time, they're a good choice. Now let's talk about value. These patches come at a mid-range price point for a skincare product, which I think is pretty fair given the quality and the ingredients. They're not the cheapest option out there, but I think they offer good value for what they do. If you're looking for something to pamper your under-eye area and are willing to invest a little, these are a great choice. If you're on the hunt for similar alternatives, I'd recommend checking out other hydrogel eye patches from brands like Patchology or Skyn Iceland. Both have products that work similarly for under-eye hydration and brightening. However, if you want something with a unique pumpkin-infused twist, TONYMOLY has a distinct offering. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the patches themselves are thick enough to feel luxurious. I do wish there were a bit more product in the jar, as the patches are quite large, and it's easy to use them up quickly. However, the fact that they provide instant hydration and the soothing feel might justify the price for many. I haven't needed to contact customer service for this product, but TONYMOLY has a pretty good reputation for being responsive to inquiries, so I wouldn't anticipate any issues if you ever needed support. To wrap things up, the TONYMOLY Hydrogel Eye Patches are a solid choice for anyone looking to add some extra hydration and care to their skincare routine. They're especially good for brightening tired eyes and providing a cooling, soothing experience. While they may not fully erase dark circles in one go, over time, you'll likely see a positive impact on the skin around your eyes. If you're looking for a pampering eye treatment with some effective ingredients, these could be worth a try. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on all things skincare. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description box for the link to purchase these patches if you're interested. If you've tried these patches already, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.